Hey everybody, James Scarlett here. Today's Friday, and normally I try and have the shop looking really good and come to you with at least a clean presentation. But today I want to talk about a dirty shop. Uh, we've got a couple of Onsruds here that we've brought in, and we're fixing them up. So that's something that we do. We're pretty good at it. So if you have an older machine, doesn't have to be an Onsrud, but if you've got an older CNC and you're looking to sell it, please get in touch with us because it's great for our technicians to have something to do when they're not out on the road. So majority of the time they're out fixing your machines, but when they're in here, they're fixing these machines to go back out into the field again. So this is a 5-axis that came to us. Geez, I don't know, probably a couple months ago now. So it's about halfway through its transformation, but we've torn it apart and just kind of digging into it and figuring out what's wrong with it and slowly putting it back together again. So I think it's already sold to a customer. Once we get it all done, he's going to come and do a runoff and make sure he likes it, and then we're going to go from there. This is a 3-axis machine that we picked up, and same thing, just kind of tearing into it, seeing what's wrong, and once we get it all fixed up, it'll be for sale on our website as well. So, and as always, feel free to call me. A lot of these machines don't hit the website until they're ready to go. So if you've got something specific in mind that you're looking for, give me a call. We can help you out. What else? That's it. Happy Friday, everybody.